Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create music only status on WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp and then I'm going to create a WhatsApp status. I'm going to go to the updates menu and I'm going to select add status. Okay guys, and if you want to create music only on your WhatsApp status, you can select music here. Okay, now we can create music only status on WhatsApp, and then we're going to choose the music we want to add to our WhatsApp status. And I'm just going to search for an artist. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, you can search for the music that you want to add to your story. I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this icon. Alright, and here you can choose the type of the music display. Okay, here you have 4 options. The first one, second one, the third one, and the last one. Okay, and I think I'm gonna go with this one guys, and you can choose the part of the music you want to upload. I'm just going to pick random part from here and I'm going to click on done. Alright, and then before you upload the music status, you will be able to edit the sticker. Okay, you can zoom in or zoom out using your 2 fingers. And I'm going to place it here, and you can add another sticker. For example, I'm going to add a photo. I'm just going to add I'm gonna add this photo. Okay, and I'm going to apply photo frame. Okay, like this guys, and then I'm going to add emoji as well, and then add text like this, and I'm going to remove the background of the text. Okay, I'm just going to place it here. And okay, once you're done, you can click on this button to share the music status. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create music only on WhatsApp status. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.